Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to convert Google Docs to Word documents, and as a bonus, I'll demonstrate how to remove any text watermarks that might appear after conversion. Converting Google Docs to Word format is essential for compatibility and seamless collaboration with colleagues and clients who use Microsoft Word. Let's dive in. Click on File in the top left corner of your screen. Hover over Download to reveal the submenu. Then, select Microsoft Word .docx from the options. Google Docs will automatically convert your file and download it to your computer's default Downloads folder. Now, let's navigate to our Downloads folder and open the newly converted Word document. As you can see, the formatting has been preserved beautifully. Fonts, spacing, images, and styles all remain intact. However, you might notice a text watermark that appears on the pages. Let me show you how to remove that. In Microsoft Word, click on Design tab in the ribbon at the top. In older versions, this might be under Page Layout. Look for the Watermark button in the Page Background group. Click on it to open the Watermark menu. From the drop-down menu, simply click Remove Watermark at the bottom of the options. And just like that, the watermark disappears. Your document now looks completely clean and professional. You now know how to convert Google Docs to Word format with perfect formatting preservation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.